You can view time zones in Digimap for schools. Let's check out how to do that. First select Overlays on the left, then check the Time Zones box. I'm going to zoom out a few times so you can see them more clearly. Another tip is to select the World Boundaries map, as it makes it easier to see the country names. You'll see the different time zones are coloured. You can play around with the slider bar here to make the time zones lighter or darker. They have a number on them that shows the time difference between the prime meridian and that time zone. As the prime meridian runs through the UK, it has a 0 on it. Norway has +1, so Norway is 1 hour ahead of the UK. Time zones east of the prime meridian are ahead. So if it's 12 PM in London, it's 1 PM in Oslo in Norway. If we move further east, you can see Finland is 2 hours ahead. Russia, further east, has several time zones within it. Now let's move west of the UK across the Atlantic, where you'll see the time zones have minus signs in front of them. Time zones west of the prime meridian are behind. So the east coast of Canada is 4 hours behind us, but the west coast is 8 hours behind us. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you find the time zones feature really useful. Bye for now.